Good day, everyone. In today's session, we've meticulously broken down the top 6 business products, offering a comprehensive view to aid your decision. Your support through a subscription is highly valued. For in-depth information and the latest pricing, refer to the description. Garmin Dash Cam 47. Effortlessly engage in remotely live view monitoring of the camera, provided a constant power source and an active Wi-Fi connection. Access this feature through the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone, allowing you to check on your parked car even when you are away. The parking guard feature, contingent upon a Wi-Fi connection, vigilantly monitors activities around your parked vehicle and issues alerts if any incidents are detected. This feature is also available through the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone. Take advantage of voice control, which is also available in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, even in Swedish. This feature enables you to use spoken commands to save video, initiate, terminate audio recording, capture still pictures, and more. The system incorporates driver alerts, including forward collision, lane departure, and speed camera warnings, contributing to safer driving practices and heightened situational awareness. It is important to note that certain conditions may compromise the warning function, and red light and speed camera warnings may not be available in all regions. Kenwood DRV-A301W. With a robust design and up to 1080p resolutions, the Kenwood DRV-A301W makes in strong cases for being the dash cam for your car. Not only that, it automatically detects collision and record footages for safekeeping. It also features a prominent displays and onboard GPS to log your speed and locations at the time. Better still, the Kenwood Dash Cam Managers is one of our favorite dash cam companion app. Not only can you connect via and local wireless networks to view your saved footages, you can also see in live views of what the camera sees on your screen. The recorded videos is also of good quality, though the audios can be a little choppy at times. It may not have any unique feature to set it apart from its rivals, but the Kenwood DRV-A301W does have everything you need in a dash cam and with the affordable price tags to boot. Kenwood Dash Cam Managers is one of our favorite dash cam companion apps. You can connect over a local wireless network to view your saved footage and get a live view of what the camera sees on your screen. The recorded videos are also of good quality, even if the audio is sometimes choppy. Escort M2. Ensure a seamless connection to the cloud and receive automatic software updates and alerts for enhanced functionality. Voice announcements offer audible alerts, keeping you informed about video protection or recording cessation. Leverage built-in Wi-Fi for instant access to your videos, enabling effortless storage, editing, and sharing from any location. The M2 seamlessly integrates with compatible escort detectors, extending your protection capabilities. In the event of a serious accident, the M2 automatically sends an automatic text message to your designated emergency contact. Emergency videos or those saved with the emergency recording button are safeguarded from being overwritten. The Escort M2 dash camera is compatible with various detectors, including Redline 360C, Redline X, Max 360C, Max 360, Max 3, Escorts IXC, and Escort IX. Passport XAT requires an optional mounting bracket for compatibility. Record crucial details in your videos, such as speed and location, for comprehensive information. Activate parking mode to preserve valuable footage in case of a bump or collision while parked. Capture your drives in full HD 1080p video resolution, ensuring clarity in every detail, day or night. This dash camera is optimized to automatically enhance video clarity under varying lighting conditions, whether it be daylight or nighttime. RexingUSA V1P SE. The RexingUSA V1P SE 4K Dual Dash Cam is the ultimate solution for comprehensive and high-quality car video recording. With front and rear cameras, both capable of capturing stunning visuals in 2160p and 1080p respectively, this dash cam ensures you don't miss a moment on the road. It's equipped with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. The V1P SE allows you to track your route and easily manage footage via the Rexing Connect app. The 170-degree wide-angle lenses, G-sensor, WDR technology, and 2-piece CPL filters enhance video clarity and detail, providing reliable evidence in case of incidents. Supporting up to 512 GB storage, this dash cam offers extensive loop recording and a parking monitor function for 24/7 protection. The sleek design and user-friendly interfaces make the V1P SE a must-have for any vehicle, prioritizing safety and peace of mind. Upgrade your driving experience with RexingUSA's cutting-edge technology. Rove R3. The Rove R3 boasts a 3 IPS touchscreen and supports 3-channel recording for front, cabin, and rear views. Featuring the all-new 2022 Rove apps for iOS and Android, it facilitates remote firmware updates. Enjoy the convenience of always-on dual-band 5.00 GHz and 2.4 GHz built-in Wi-Fi, ensuring super-fast transfer speeds. The built-in GPS provides live speed, compass, and location stamps, complemented by proprietary fail-safe voice guidance. With a supercapacitor, the Rove R3 ensures safety and an extended product life, a notable advantage over dash cams with internal batteries. The 24-hour parking monitor, G-sensor, loop recording, built-in digital image stabilization, and f1.4 lens aperture for enhanced low-light performance make it a comprehensive solution. The wide dynamic range, advanced H.265 and H.264 video compression technology, and 4 hidden IR LEDs for cabin camera recording in complete darkness further enhance its capabilities. Additional features include a screensaver, USB Type-C ports, and an included fast dual USB charger. The Rove R3 supports time-lapse video and more. Designed meticulously as a smart dash camera, it offers an industry-changing design with a single power button and user-friendly custom firmware. Powered by a supercapacitor, it ensures reliability and safety in extreme weather conditions from 4 degrees, 20 degrees, to +1 8 degrees, plus 70 degrees C, providing an extended camera lifespan and preventing internal damage. This makes the Rove R3 an ideal choice for any dash cam enthusiast. Cobra RAD 480i. Utilize the built-in Wi-Fi feature for instant storage, editing, and sharing of footage from anywhere through cloud-based video management. The embedded GPS ensures synchronized location and speed information, providing critical data when needed. The RAD 480i comes equipped with a 12V power cord, suction cups car windshield mounts, and a hook and loops fastener for dash mountings. The SC100 includes an 8GB microSD card, quick-release magnetic mount, and a vehicle power adapter, along with a 15F cable for the hardwire kit. With digital signal processing, the RAD 480i accelerates the processing of incoming laser gun signals, delivering swift and accurate alerts to make you aware of potential threats before they are imminent. The next-generation updatable IVT filter and advanced anti-falsing circuitry intelligently minimize false alerts from blind spot systems and other vehicle avoidance systems. The Cobra Dash Camera hardwire kit is compatible with various Cobra Dash Cam models, including SC100, SC200, SC201, SC200D, -2208, -2216D, -2308, and -2316D. This kit enhances the functionality of your Cobra Dash camera and provides a seamless and reliable experience. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icons to get instant notification of our new videos.